Welcome to the Introduction to DeskDirector License Reporter. In this video, we'll do a quick tour and demonstration of the IECB Licensing Reporter. Proper license management is vital for organizations to avoid unnecessary costs, stay compliant, and make the most of their software investments. This ECB License Reporter simplifies this process by providing organizations with the tools they need to manage their licenses effectively. This intuitive solution generates a detailed summary of Microsoft licenses and produces an Excel report that outlines all Microsoft licenses and grants within the organization. The IECB Licensing Reporter provides a comprehensive overview of all licenses and grants, enabling you to track user licenses effectively and efficiently. Now, let's walk through how to request a report. To get the licensing report, go to the Client portal and click on New Ticket. Then click on IECB and select Licensing Report Request to submit your request. In this form, there are two key details you need to provide. The first is the frequency of the report. This determines how often the report will be generated, measured in days. The second detail is the email addresses of the recipients who will receive the report. You can add up to 8 email addresses here. Once you've submitted your request, you'll receive a notification confirming that your request has been successfully received and that the report extraction is in progress. Shortly after, the recipients you listed will receive an email with an attachment containing the licensing report. The report will be delivered immediately after the ticket is submitted and will continue to be sent according to the frequency you specified in your request. The report itself is an Excel file containing 3 tabs. The first tab, SKUs, lists all the subscribed units within your organization. It provides details such as how many units have been consumed, how many are enabled, suspended, have warnings, or are locked out. The second tab, Service Plans per SKU, includes a list of service plans for each subscribed unit. This section provides details like the service plan name, provisioning status, and the applicable units. The third tab, User Licenses, lists all users who have been granted Microsoft licenses. This table shows the name, email, and job title of each user, as well as the details of the service plan granted to them, such as its ID, name, and provisioning status. And that wraps up the introduction and demonstration of the IECB Licensing Reporter. In the next video, we'll have a quick tour of the Licensing Reporter portal.